2.5 years Congress led government. Now government become two party now. One Siddaramaiah party, one DK party. DK is sleeping in the house. Siddaramaiah is controlling the MLAs and ministers. Damki for all MLAs and ministers. Why you are went to Delhi? What is the reason? This is happening in Karnataka. 2.5 years celebration, there is no development celebration. Only divide. Congress party is divided now. The government is divided now.
Sir, MLAs have reached already Delhi, the one faction leaders. Other side, other MLAs are saying we are intact with the government. Do you think this government is stable or this chair fight is going on?
Who elected Siddaramaiah 2.5 years back? Same MLA saying remove Siddaramaiah. That complaint given to Kharge. Yesterday also, many MLAs went to Kharge house. They told remove Siddaramaiah. This is happening in Karnataka. I think this situation, Siddaramaiah has no majority now. So that's why you have to resign. You have to resign. Once again, you have to take the opinion from the MLAs. Otherwise, he is a one-party MLA, not all combined Congress party MLA. He is not a Congress all MLAs. He is a one group MLA, one fraction MLA.
Congress is crumbling, sir.
100%. I think Congress within 15 days or 1 month, it will be divided because war is reaching peak now, very peak now. Openly the MLAs went to Delhi to remove Siddaramaiah means it is a peak in the government.
How you rate this government 2.5 years?